welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our series on how to dress up a sheet cake. And this time it's for St. Patrick's Day, so let's get started.
As always, we start out with a frosted sheet cake. You can frost it yourself, you could leave it in the pan and only frost the top, or you can buy it frosted. Then we put some green buttercream in 2 piping bags, one with a large round tip and the other with a small round piping tip. Then we pipe a pearl border at the bottom of the cake. This is basically just piping a dot border with a larger piping tip. Then pipe a heart with the point toward the center, and do that 3 times with all 3 points meeting in the center. You'll have a bit of excess buttercream in the center that you can tap down with your fingertip. Then pipe a stem with a small round piping tip. I piped one of these shamrocks at every corner first. Then, using a skewer, I sketched the words Happy St. Patrick's Day into the buttercream. This way, if you make a mistake, you can just frost over it and repair it. But since I was pretty happy with this one, I just piped over the lines I sketched with the small round piping tip. Finally, I piped shamrocks all around the border of the cake. I love how simple yet adorable this cake is. It's perfect for a casual St. Patrick's Day celebration or just an Irish lover. Happy St. Patrick's Day! For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos.